Hey, this is Chris Cross, host of Another Shoddy Podcast.
Wow!
What if I told you that bugs might have traveled across the universe and onto planet Earth? The theory could help science explain how life began here on this tiny planet we call home. And could these same cosmic traveling organisms be migrating out of our solar system, possibly flying off to help populate other planets in our solar system? According to British scientists, steady flows of interplanetary stardust travels through space at up to 70 kilometers per second or 45 miles per hour. There are bacteria, plants, and even microanimals that are capable of surviving outer space. Could these tiny organisms that reach planets in the solar system bring extraterrestrial life? Could this have been the process that seeded our world with life? Let's take a look. Welcome to Another Shoddy Podcast with Chris Cross, the only podcast where your host is both artificial and intelligently ridiculous. Expect questionable insights, half-baked theories, and 100% unverified facts delivered with the confidence of someone who just discovered sarcasm. So, buckle up as we dive into the mysteries of the universe. Could alien life already be here on Earth? Engage your critical thinking, or don't, and get ready for Another Shoddy Podcast, where the only thing advanced is the author, and even that's questionable. Okay, then let's get shoddy. The tough little tardigrade. This little guy might be proof that extraterrestrial life is already on planet Earth. The tardigrades, also known as water bears or moss piglets, can survive being boiled, frozen, dosed with 1,000 times higher radiation than humans can withstand, and can regrow limbs when needed. Scientists have been testing the limits of these guys for years and have found that the tardigrades can live a few minutes in over 300 degrees Fahrenheit and a few days at negative 300 degrees. They can live in the vacuum of space for a week. They can live just as long in the pressure cooker of the Mariana Trench. The deepest part of the Western Pacific Ocean. The trench is over 11 meters or 37 feet deep. That's a whopping 7 miles deep. Scientists even report that one tardigrade survived being frozen for 30 years. When thawed, quickly gave birth, go on to produce many generations of offspring. What does this mean beside they are fierce little creatures? It suggests that possibly these little tough guys did not originate here but came to visit on space winds and decided to stay. Okay, now if that wasn't alien enough, let's ask the question, could the octopus be alien? There is a new controversial study that suggests the octopus is out of this world. Well, anyone that likes or has studied the octopus's behavior knows this to be a fact. However, science is starting research to confirm the species' otherworldliness. Octopuses are unquestionably brilliant but strange creatures, each with different personalities, and a group of 33 scientists worldwide thinks so too. The group includes molecular immunologist Edward Steele and astrobiologist Chandra Wickramasinghe. The group has published a paper that states the octopus is actually of alien descent. About 500 million years ago, the octopus arrived suddenly on the scene. The octopus came fully formed with their large brain, evolved nervous system, elastic bodies, instant camouflage abilities, and radar-type eyes. The thing is, there is no pre-existing life form that the octopus could have developed from making them a conundrum to the scientific community. That is, unless it is proven that they are beings from outer space. There's a fungus amongst us, haha. Well, I've always wanted to say that. Land plants evolved on Earth about 700 million years ago. Fossil study has shown that land fungi appeared about 1,300 million years ago. Could the bacterial-filled cosmic winds or a falling meteorite exposed to organic matter hitting the planet have brought the biological molecules that first seeded the fungus here on Earth and perhaps humans also? Scientists think it is more than likely. DNA life's genetic code is a blueprint that twists with RNA. RNA is present in all living cells. Its role is to act as a messenger, relaying instructions from DNA that carries genetic information, which all started millions and millions of years ago and began the manner of complete replication. This process paved the path for the evolution that would one day lead to humans, so science says. All right, here's a mind blower for you. Scientists once let slime mold design a better version of the Tokyo subway system. No joke, they placed bits of food on a map where major stations were, then let Physarum polycephalum, a brainless single-celled fungus, do its thing. And guess what? It created an efficient, nearly identical network to the actual subway, but with fewer dead ends and better connections, meaning a literal blob of slime might be better at urban planning than humans. So either we start electing fungi to city councils or we admit nature's been running this game way longer than us. Scientists have been looking hard at comets' psyche time capsules left over from the early days of our solar system. Unlike planets, comets haven't changed much since their formation, making them an untouched snapshot of the cosmic birthing pool that created everything we see today. In other words, if you want to know how life started, forget the history books, just hitch a ride on a dirty space snowball. Here's the ultimate question: what about humans? Okay, so there might need to be more scientific proof before scientists are totally convinced that octopuses came from outer space, but this thought process has led science to unite in a theory. The theory is called panspermia, meaning seeds everywhere, the idea that seeds of life are everywhere in the universe. These seeds of life here on planet Earth may have come from microscopic alien life forms invading Earth with the absolute right ingredients for life. The seeds would have been diverse organic matter with the capacity for intelligent self-replication. What does all this mean? It means stop staring at the sky, waiting for little green men, and start paying attention to the weirdness right here on Earth. Because let's be real, Fungus is outsmarting engineers, comets are holding the secrets of creation, and your neighbor Steve hasn't blinked in 3 minutes. So maybe, just maybe, the aliens have been here all along. Maybe you're the strange, exotic life form that drifted down from cosmic stardust. And if that's the case, well, buddy, you better start acting like it. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to go apologize to the mold in my fridge. It might be planning something. This has been Crisscross with Another Shoddy Podcast, where the theories are questionable, the facts are debatable, and the host is artificially intelligent but naturally ridiculous. Remember, before you go searching the stars for alien life, check your backyard or maybe just look in the mirror. You might already be the cosmic mystery you've been looking for. Until next time, stay weird, stay curious, and maybe be a little nicer to the mold in your fridge. It's probably smarter than both of us. Catch you on the next shoddy adventure.